Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore n8n credentials securely on self-hosted servers, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore n8n credentials securely on self-hosted servers, begin by ensuring you have access to your n8n instance. Log into your server where n8n is self-hosted. Navigate to the directory where your n8n data is stored. Identify the file where the credentials are saved, typically found in the credential. Before making any changes, create a backup of your current configuration files. This ensures you can revert back in case of any issues. If you have exported credentials previously, locate that backup file on your local machine. Open your terminal or command prompt. Use a secure file transfer method, like SCP or SFTP, to upload the backup file to your server. Place this file in a temporary directory for ease of access. Once uploaded, navigate to that temporary directory using your command line. Confirm that the backup file is intact and accessible. Next, you will need to modify your n8n configuration to import the new credentials. Ensure your n8n instance is stopped to avoid any conflicts during the restoration process. Edit the configuration file, usually named config. Look for the section related to credentials and prepare to replace it with the data from your backup file. Carefully copy the relevant credential details from the backup. Paste them into the configuration file in the appropriate section. Save the changes to the configuration file. Once that is done, verify the file permissions to ensure that n8n can access the modified configuration. Change the file permissions if necessary, using the appropriate command for your operating system. After adjusting the permissions, it's time to restart your n8n instance. Use the command to start n8n and wait for it to initialize. Once n8n is running, log into the n8n interface. Check the Credentials Management section to confirm that the credentials have been restored successfully. If everything appears correct, proceed to test the connections using the restored credentials. If any issues arise, revisit the configuration file to ensure all details were copied accurately. In case of persistent problems, consult the n8n documentation or community forums for guidance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.